Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 3M PopSocket adhesive is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, aspects of owning a PopSocket. A strong adhesive ensures your PopSocket stays put, preventing frustrating drops and providing reliable grip for years to come. This video will take an in-depth look at the 3M PopSocket adhesive, exploring its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your mobile accessories. Number 5. PopSocket Mount Adhesive. These adhesive discs are designed to replace worn-out adhesive on your phone socket mounts. They're super strong and easy to apply, extending the life of your phone accessories. The high-bond adhesive ensures a secure grip, even withstanding high temperatures. It's the perfect solution for keeping your phone accessories firmly in place. The kit includes cleaning pads to prepare surfaces before applying the new adhesive. This ensures a strong and lasting bond every time. Simply clean the surface, peel off the backing, and apply the adhesive disc. It's that easy to reattach and reposition your phone accessories. You receive 9 extra strong adhesive discs and 4 cleaning prep pads. This multi-pack provides plenty of backups to keep your phone accessories secure and functional. With these replacement adhesive discs, you can easily refresh your phone mounts and keep them working like new. Save money and reduce waste by extending the life of your existing accessories. What we like? It comes with 9 extra strong adhesive discs and cleaning pads. If you frequently switch out your PopSockets or need a reliable backup, this multi-pack is perfect for extending the life of your PopSockets and keeping them securely attached to various surfaces. It's ideal for those who frequently change phone cases or use their PopSockets on multiple devices. What people say. Easy directions, great hold within 24 hours, and came with several stickers. So this time when I took it off it was really stuck. It is a really strong adhesive. I have now had this PopSocket on and working for about 3 months. It's very durable. It will not come off your phone case, if you do it the right way. Number 4. Volport 3M Adhesive Replacement. These adhesive pads are perfect for replacing worn-out sticky parts on your phone holders and mounts. They're easy to use and provide a super strong hold. This package includes 8 smaller adhesive patches, ideal for magnetic phone mounts and other small applications. They're designed to be long-lasting and reliable. 2 larger adhesive discs are also included, perfect for replacing the sticky base of socket grips and other larger mounts. They offer extra strong adhesion. Cleaning pads are provided to ensure a clean surface before applying the new adhesive. This helps guarantee a strong and lasting bond. Simply clean the surface, peel off the backing, and firmly press the adhesive onto your mount. Wait 24 hours for the best results. These replacement adhesives will extend the life of your phone mounts and other accessories, saving you money and reducing waste. What we like? This pack boasts 10 super strong adhesive pads, perfect for even the most demanding applications. If you need a heavy-duty solution for your magnetic phone holder or PopSocket, and you value reliability above all else, this is the one for you. It's especially useful for those who use their phones in cars or other high-vibration environments. What people say. Used these for my Wise cameras. Worked well on wood, vinyl, and plaster. The backing is easily removed and this thing works like a charm. Super happy that I have multiple replacements in case we have to move it again. This adhesive is easy to use, extremely strong, and allowed me to transfer an old PopSocket from one phone case to another. Number 3. PopSocket Wallet Adhesive. Is your socket wallet losing its grip? These replacement adhesive strips are here to help. Easily restore your wallet's stickiness and keep it securely attached to your phone. These 3M VHB adhesive strips are 40% stronger than the original. They're also high temperature resistant, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable hold. Reattaching your socket wallet is a breeze. Simply clean the surfaces, apply the adhesive, and wait 24 hours for optimal adhesion. For best results, avoid using them on silicone, leather, or highly textured surfaces. Remember to clean the surfaces before application and avoid touching the adhesive directly. They work with most smartphones, including iPhones and Samsung Galaxy devices. It's the perfect solution for keeping your socket wallet secure. This pack contains 6 high-quality adhesive strips, providing multiple replacements for long-term use. Get back to using your Socket wallet with confidence. What we like. Specifically designed for Socket Wallet Plus, it offers 6 high-stickiness adhesive strips. If you own a Socket Wallet Plus and are looking for a stronger, more durable adhesive solution, this is your best bet. This is perfect for those who want to ensure their wallet stays securely attached to their phone. What people say. So far the adhesive has held really well. I like that it comes with the sticker pad for extra hold. I purchased and have been using this since July 2022. I have switched phone cases a few times and have used these to replace my Pop wallet those times. I have always followed the directions in applying the adhesive stickers and they have always worked like a charm. They've never been loose or fallen off the phone. The adhesive that sticks the wallet to the case was easy to apply, the instructions were very clearly written. It seems to be holding well. I have a decently large phone and it feels secure when I'm holding it. Number 2. PopTech Magnetic Car Mount Adhesive. These adhesive pads are perfect for your magnetic car mount. They're designed to be strong and long-lasting, so you can keep your phone securely in place. They're specifically sized to fit most magnetic phone mounts. It's easy to transfer them between cases, too. These pads use high-quality 3M VHB adhesive for superior strength and durability. They can withstand high and low temperatures. Simply peel and stick. They're easy to apply and remove without leaving residue. Just clean the surface first for the best results. For best results, clean the surface with the included cleaning pad, let it dry, and wait 24 hours after installation. This ensures a secure bond. We stand behind our product. Contact us with any questions. Our customer service team is available 24/7. What we like. This pack contains 8 small, heat-resistant adhesive pads ideal for magnetic car mounts. If you're looking for a reliable adhesive for your magnetic car mount, especially in hot climates, this is the perfect choice. It's designed for those who need a secure and long-lasting hold for their phone in their car. What people say. Used it for a bobblehead on my dash. Works perfect for that. You have to let it bond though. It's very easy to move it and just pull it off the dash for the first 24 to 36 hours. After that it gets pretty sticky. Hasn't moved yet and it's in Florida on the dash for about a month. I thought they seemed small for a minute until I needed to use them. The size of the adhesive stickies are perfect for everything phone and or Pop-It related items. The stickiness has yet to give out and it's been at least 2 months. Also super easy to get off if you need to. Needed these to remount our dash camera after a windshield replacement due to cracks in it. I had to use Glue Gun to remove the adhesive to replace new adhesive but it worked and dash camera is now back up and working. Number 1. 3M adhesive for PopSockets. This kit helps you reuse your phone grip and car mount. It includes 6 larger adhesives for the grip base and 2 smaller ones for magnetic car mounts. These 6 larger, circular adhesives are designed to re-stick your phone grip or ring holder. They're 40% stronger than the originals and withstand high and low temperatures. The 2 smaller adhesives work with your dashboard car mount, magnetic car mount, or other magnetic holders. Clean the surface before applying them. If the red backing film is hard to peel, peel a little, press it back down, and try again. Avoid textured surfaces for best adhesion, and wait 24 hours for a full bond. These versatile adhesives can be used on various surfaces at home, in the office, or in your car. They are compatible with most smartphones and tablets. What we like. This kit includes 6 large adhesive discs for PopSockets and 2 smaller ones for magnetic car mounts. If you need a versatile solution for both your PopSocket and magnetic car mount, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a convenient, all-in-one solution for their adhesive needs. What people say. It came with 8 regular size and 2 small adhesive replacements, for alcohol prep pads to wipe down the PopSocket base after you remove the adhesive and came in a small resealable bag made from durable plastic. My phone case is made from plastic and it's stuck on instantly. The adhesive is very strong and in the directions it says to wait 10 minutes to peel off the sticker but you only have to wait around 30 to 60 seconds. The adhesive is very strong, so when you're removing it, using a Swiss Army or even a butter knife is helpful. Also, I use medical tape adhesive remover wipes and they work fantastically, cleans it right off. But just be sure to clean the area after really well so it doesn't prevent anything from sticking. Also, the smaller size patches come in really handy for some phone rings that have a smaller surface area than a pop socket. Included in the package were alcohol wipes to clean an item before applying the new adhesive. The directions say to let sit for 24 hours after applying, but I didn't wait that long and so far it has been adhering to the new case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.